see you trying every day to never let your colors fade. Always standing strong and tall, afraid of ever letting fall. But I wish you knew the truth I see. You don't have to be perfect for me. You don't have to be perfect all the time. It's okay to break sometimes. You can fall apart in my arms. You don't have to hide your scars. I know you smile through the pain, like sunshine falling in the rain. And I wish you'd let yourself be free from all that weight you carry deep. You don't have to be perfect all the time. You're already enough in this life. Even with the cracks you hide, even on your weakest nights. If you're tired, let it show. You don't have to always know every answer, every way. It's okay to feel this way. You don't have to be perfect all the time. Let your tears fall, that's alright. I'll be here, I won't leave. You're more than what you try to be. You're enough for me to see. So let the heavy moments stay. You don't have to be okay today.